sitting in the courtyard of the hotel where I am staying in Guatemala City in Guatemala, and I'm about to have some breakfast before the group heads out to Antigua. I'm here with Hopscotch the Globe and Vivid Roots, and we're here for a volunteer project. So there's going to be a lot of Guatemala videos you don't want to miss out. So definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell.
My name is Diego Lee. I have been guiding people since 2009. Antigua is my hometown. For me, it's going to be a pleasure to show you around.
We just got to our hotel here in Antigua. We're gonna drop off our stuff and then we're gonna go do a little walking tour and get to know the city.
You may have to come closer to me, but I want that car gone.
I want that car gone. Can you X that car, please?
Yeah.
Can somebody please remove the car? There are 332 steps that we are going to take. These are steps that we are taking right now to go up to the lookout. What are we going to be looking out at? I'm not sure. We'll see it together. Apparently it's worth it. We made it to the top.
The real name of Antigua is Santiago de Guatemala. It was the second official town founded by the Spanish people.
We're doing a group shot right now. That's what's happening.
It's hard to get this group organized. 1, 2, 3.
Cheddar! I'm vegan.
Vegan cheddar!
We're like a show for all these people.
This kid.
We are on our way back down into the town where we're gonna walk a little bit more and learn about the history of Antigua, and then we're gonna have some free time so we can chill, and hopefully we're gonna have lunch soon. Where are we now? I didn't...
Santo Domingo.
Santo Domingo.
It was a monastery. The monastery was from 1726. The monastery, it has changed now. What you see inside is a hotel and restaurant. The hotel and restaurant is open since 1992. These two skeletons were found by the wedding chapel.
Wow.
So there is a man and there is a woman.
This place is really beautiful and peaceful. I love how it's a mix of the greenery and the ruins.
lunch at La Fonda de la Calle Real.
Ooh. This is traveling in 2018. I just bought a bunch of gifts for all of the people who contributed. Because I bought so many things and we are volunteers here, the guy who sold me all of the gifts, he actually gave me a bracelet with little jade stone, so that's pretty cool. And that is it for this Antigua video. If you enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and be sure to subscribe and follow me. I am at REDROMINA everywhere. There will be more Guatemala videos as we enter the volunteer project of this trip, so you don't want to miss out on all of that. But for now, I'm gonna go, so I will see you when I see you. Bye. This video was made possible by my patrons over at patreon.com/REDROMINA. If you like what I do, become a patron and be a part of the exploration.